Ditang's walking only. Ditang's walking only. Wait.
Brimstone.
May bomb squad. Can you clear the guards inside? Yo, wait. Yo, hammer. Careful, okay? I don't know who their caller is and I don't have any idea. Maybe Def ready.
Looking.
Def. Peel up.
We have one on arcane or no?
Hammer.
I think it's permapolar.
Okay,
Yeah.
just be careful.
No, wait for it.
They're
One more.
Def. Pwede. Kasi wala akong hammer eh.
Zoning
10%.
heading.
You
Yo, Southwest. Yo, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, inside no. Ang tagal naman ng inigyo ko, pre. Dapat nakatch mo na yun. Just ready kami. Oh my god, guys!
You guys are fucking retarded. Actually unbelievable.
Hammer now. They 25 DA now.
Pop your fucking shoes, get out.
Come southeast. You definitely. They're looking. They have 3 cooldowns, okay? They're too fast. Definitely. They're walking in. Careful. Come southeast more. Def now. Come see the front. Come southeast. Come southeast. Kite southeast outside. Siso, why are you on the top of the tower? Come southeast. You know why you're there. Come southeast. Yo, inside on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, no. Ang tagal ng intro ko, pre. Come southeast. Come east,
Pull them out, bro. You need to pull them out.
Yo, Yarandra, can you stop dropping your carving as your fucking... Kamesi, come southeast. Kite southeast, man. Kite southeast. My D-tank. Come southeast.
Bumabalik sila sa loob, bro.
Come southeast.
Lifted is their color. They have lifted.
Yo, come southeast. I know, come east side. I'm trying to leave. We cannot do anything there. If they're not gonna go out, I'm just gonna leave. Come east. What are they doing?
Ito pre, nagka-catch up sila.
Pinching up, west side, one screen of you.
Yo, come east.
They're low in shallow.
Ba't ka namatay dyan, Boon? Come northeast.
Nagbo-boost up sila pre, inano ko na ng armor para hindi kayo mahabol.
Can you mount up or no? My D-tanks!
No.
Settle D-tanks.
Come in. Come northwest.
Pinching up.
Come west side. Wait. Ready def. Def ready. West side. Careful. Wait. Come south on me now. D-tank, hold my west side. Help my bomb on the west. Come south. Come south. Hold my bomb on the west side. Come south. Come south, man. South on me, please. Come south.
Silip na, battle from Silip na. 1K.
Yo, catch this fucking guy, please, left side. My fucking incubus. Name charge him. 5, 4, 3, 2, Shalom. Come back southeast. Putang inang bobo. Come southeast.
They're all looking at you now.
Come southeast. Sino yung pre? Ano mo?
Ako pre, nag-guide na nga, kaya nakatalon. Sorry.
Come see. Hold here.
West side,
Careful.
pinching up.
Guys, take space on my southeast. Take space on my southeast, please. Take space on my southeast.
They're looking shallow. Okay, one screen away still, west side of you. 2 chokes, binabatayin nila pareho. They're
Come south to me.
inching south.
Okay,
They're walking
8
south, they're
minutes.
walking south.
Come south on me.
They're walking south.
Yo, careful. Okay, careful. My D-tank, look at the west side. Yo, west side on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now.
Lift in wrapping south.
And come see. Come southeast north, come southeast north, come south now, 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 come south now. Come south now, come south now. Yo, come southwest, come west side, 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 come west side,
Their
come west side.
colors are left
Come
in
northwest.
1 minute.
Yo, come south, take space on my south, take space on my south, take space on my south. Take space on my south, let's look north, room look north. Yo, duck now. Yo, north on me, 5,
Look in the S, look in the S.
3, to northwest now. And come and see, walk into them, guys, walk into them. Yo, my brothers, wrap around them. Walk into them now. Come south now. They're fighting too fast. Come south now. Come southwest to me. Careful on the choke, okay? Careful on the choke, guys. They're gonna turn back to the choke. Come back south. Hey, look, take dirty to me. 5, 4, 3, to northeast now. And come back south. Wait. Come south a little bit, guys. Careful on the choke, guys. Careful on the choke. Come southeast a little bit. Come south. Now come west up. Come west up hill. Come south now. Come south to me. Careful. Yo, Grady, come west side. Wrap around the west side. Come northwest. Wait, keep walking in.
Lifting Castle as well.
Keep walking in.
They're going at the gate now.
Walking in. Wait, hold.
Pero sa gate na
Come
halos na.
south.
They're back inside the gate.
They're trying to pull you to the castle, bro. You have no
English.
rifles like that.
Yo, boots in southwest. I know. Come south. Guys, west side. Look at me. Hello.
All inching up on you, all inching up on
Boots
you.
up on me. Come southwest.
They're gonna catch.
Come
Northeast.
southwest.
They're engaging shallow again.
No, careful shallow. No, find me inside.
Okay, they stop.
Inside of me. Wait. Walk in. Yo, on the defense inside. 5, 4, 3, 1, inside now.
Bomb it in here.
Hold now. Take space on my south.
They're gonna engage shallow
No, they're
again.
looking west.
They're engaged.
They're looking west. No, come walking a little bit. Walking northwest. Yo, CC my northwest. Yo, deep northwest to me. Deep northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, nice. Go. Spec. Go in spec. You hit the bro. Come south. We're too slow.
They're
Come south.
They're stocking now.
Come south.
They're looking
Careful on the north. Come south, man.
Range bomb
We're
moving.
OC gonna break. Come south, my D-tanks. Be careful. Come south.
Okay, they're kiting again, North.
Right,
They're inching up south.
You have to hey, come south on me.
Listen,
Come
you
south
need to
and-
pull them south side of the map. You have to pull them so far out to fight them. You cannot fight them.
I know, come southwest. Boots in southwest.
You have a lot of people very far.
Boots in southwest. Auto. Mag-OC break ako. I need to go auto. Come
You
southwest.
clear at northeast side. Northwest side mo ah, inching up flat.
Come southwest. Auto kaya mo ako. Magbumunta pa ako. Come southwest. Yo, may D-tanks. Suicide for my bomb squad. May D-tanks suicide for my bomb squad. Mount up.
Yo, Raven, tulungan
You
mo.
good. Make sense.
Beam out, leave.
Leave.
Tulungan nyo ko.
We're OC break.
They're out of position. I can't help them. They went
Yeah.
super far.
Okay, they're spreading out.